As the day dawns, the one wakes up to the vibrancy of assimilation, blurring boundaries and integrating nations. But one element that remains imperative in this domain of intercontinental trade is excellence in quality. This is where we stand out to be the best. We are one of the India's leading IT service provider. We are Computer Lab Private Limited.
Computer Lab has come a long way since we first met in 2010. Tremendous amount of work has been done in NPR, in socioeconomic caste census, and to do it for ECIL, which is a public sector. The greatest responsibility was given to Computer Lab, and they've done an exceptionally outstanding bit of work. There was never a problem about quality. There was never a problem about timeliness. Accuracy was so high. Work did not have to be repeated ever. That is the greatness with which our quality of work reflects the ethos of the company. And to that, I would like to give special credit to Shri Santosh Sahu, who himself has dipped himself fully, immersed himself fully in the work, in every possible thing, starting with the small point of building a team, how teams operate, how interaction is done with the government, how interaction is done with the official departments, how to be patient in case money is not being paid by the government agencies, how to be accommodative if the bureaucracy in a particular state wants a redo of a particular professional activity. We have to learn how good management at the grassroots, which Shri Santosh Sahu has exhibited, has taken Computer Lab to absolutely astounding heights in such a short period. I wish Computer Lab all the very best, and I wish that they grow from strength to strength. This is the time for India to open. We are in Make in India. We are in Skill in India. So much is happening to this beautiful country, and Computer Lab is a part of that growth story. Good luck and best wishes.
We took the first step in the year 1990. The journey from the year 1990 to 2017 was full of glory and hurdles. After years of hateful evolution, we have received National Award 2010 for Outstanding Entrepreneurship from Ministry of MSME, Government of India on 2nd September 2011. We have received International Gold Star Millennium Award at Bangkok on 27 January 2013 for excellence in promoting global integration and economic development.
We are proud of having Computer Lab as our technical partner in implementing NFSA in our state. They have actively participated in preparation of ration cards, including digitization, printing, lamination, etc. And that is an organization who have associated themselves with Aadhaar preparation, and they have got award in so many technical projects. They are continuing their support in rolling out of NFSA in our state. I wish them all success.
We have been listed among leading 100 SME entrepreneurs in India of 2014 by Doon and Bradstreet. We have received Scotch Order of Merit Award and Scotch Achiever Award at Constitutional Club of India on 18th March 2016. We got rated SE 1B by Brickwork Rating as highest performance capabilities and moderate financial strength. We have also received Indian Achievers Award at Indian Habitat Center from Dr. Sunil Sastry.
आईटी सेक्टर रे गोटे सुनामधन्य संस्था एवं यही संस्था आमर एनएफएसए विभिन्न डिजिटाइजेशन प्रोसेस एवं प्रिंटिंग ऑफ रेशन कार्ड एवं पॉस डिवाइस इत्यादि आमको साहाय्य करिआसुची एवं बर्तमान 12टा जिलार डिजिटाइजेशन नेतृत्व स्थले समग्र ओडिशा रेशन कार्ड प्रिंटिंग एवं लैमिनेशन कार्य नहीं से आमको सुचारू रूप से कार्य संपादन कर 3 कोटी 26 लाख बेनिफिशियरी को कार्ड देवे साहाय्य कर उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति आम कामना करूँ और भावुँ भविष्य में सहयोग भित्ति आहरी उन्नत काम कर
Computer Lab, since its inception, has grown to become a conglomerate. It is now spread across various domains ranging from computerization of land records, agriculture census, preparation of voter ID cards, and data processing for the State Finance Commission. We are the first organization of Eastern India to enroll and generate more than 3 crores Aadhars.
Vande Utkala Janani. Wish you all happy Utkala Divas. On the occasion of your 27th Foundation Day and inauguration of new complex at InfoCity, I wish you, your advisors, your team of management, employees and staff all the best. During these 27 years, you have put in lots of efforts and seen ups and downs both in your company and in the technological developments. However, with your hard work and commitment, you led this company to the present level. Santosh, with your quality of work, timely delivery, you have got several laurels from your customers. For this, you have been awarded both at state and central level. Keep it up. I wish all the best to all of you in all your endeavors. Jai Jagannath, Jai Hind. Thank you.
At Computer Lab, all work are processed in our state-of-the-art workplaces. Our headquarters in Qatar deals with data processing and software development projects. Our corporate office at Chandrasekharpur deals with all administrative obligations.
I take this opportunity to congratulate Computer Lab for successfully completing 27 years in business. I'm glad to know that Computer Lab has also at the same time successfully enrolled 3 crore Aadhars till date. The credit simply goes to Santosh Kumar Sahu for providing a visionary leadership and also the team that has been following his visionary footsteps.
Today, we are inaugurating our Computer Lab Tower inside InfoCity, which is molded to envision our data hub and BPO center. Our work process advanced to the highest standards, and our company is manned by a dedicated team of experts.
Computer Lab, which is an enrollment agency working across India, has also been working in West Bengal. They have been working with us for the last many months, and they have done very good work, and we are very happy with their performance. We have come to know that they are setting up their new headquarters in Bhubaneswar, and we wish them all the best.
We have been able to create employment opportunities over 200 plus even in rural areas every month for over a decade and have crossed 1500 plus in the last 3 years. We are sought perfection at every stage. The result is a prize catch-up works that has conquered the national unit.
Contributes to the e-governance, formative governance across the country.
Sir, campus विषय किसको ले?
It's lovely to hear that Computer Lab is now moving to their own campus in Info City. It's wonderful to see them in their new campus, the new building, and I'm sure this location would give them much more confidence and energy to grow at much faster rate.
We are pleased to achieve the 5th position on Aadhaar enrollment in Pan India. Computer Lab's unique work culture and quality have been well recognized the nation over.
I'm extremely happy to announce the dreams came true today by inauguration of our state-of-the-art campus at InfoCity Bhubaneswar. After 26 years plus of leading a small team, Computer Lab started way back in 1990 by a team of 5-6 people. Being the one of the ITES organization in the state, we are proud to be associated with different states. In Aadhaar, we are one of the best performers in West Bengal, even in Bihar, and our journey during 2016 it was very eventful. As far as Aadhaar, the nation's biggest project is concerned, we have started from the pilot project and we are the now 6th position in Pan India, covering more than 3 crore Aadhaars. We are first in Odisha and 3rd position in West Bengal, and we are the first in Eastern India to reach 3 crore Aadhaar. 2016 was a year of achievement and success for all of us in Computer Lab. We have achieved different recognition like Scotch Order of Merit and Achievers Award. We have received Indian Achievers Award and Business Leadership Award from Indian Achievers Forum, and we are the part of Indo-Africa IT conference held during September in Nairobi, Kenya. We are the part of the delegation there. So with this, we are with our new setup and new campus looking forward for lot of e-governance project, to take part in lot of e-governance project across the country. I would like to thankful to all my well-wisher, team members, mentors, stakeholders in the project, and all the stakeholders who has made this beautiful campus come to existence after 4 years of construction and interiors. So we are proud to be shifted to our own campus from today onwards, and this is coincidentally our 27th annual fest along with 3 crore Aadhaar generation. Lastly, I would like to thank all distinguished guests came across the country and all team members, well-wishers, friends, media people, whoever is there to make this event highly successful. Thank you very much.
What's more, our professional attitude helps us stick to stringent supply schedules. Today, the reputation we have earned speaks volumes at our pursuit for excellence and quality. We are Computer Lab Private Limited in constant pursuit of excellence.